last time, weren't they? Oh no, they're not. They're different.
The turtle obsession starts.
Musk,
I like him.
Musk
He just fell in.
Can you see him sitting on the top there? Can you see him hanging out?
How big do they get? Are they 22 to 25 centimetres?
Yeah. Oh no. Return of the turtle obsession.
Yeah!
Oh no, that one's going to get squished. He's just got bumped into the side.